Darkness. Cold. The sound of predators circling in the night. Now, imagine this. No glowing embers, no warmth, no light to pierce the shadows. Humanity without fire. It is the most essential discovery in our history. The spark that transformed fragile primates into the architects of civilization. But what if it never happened? What if humans never tamed the flame? To understand this question, we must strip away everything we take for granted. Fire is not simply heat. It is survival. It is progress. It is the hidden force behind almost every chapter of human evolution. Without it, the world would be unrecognizable. And so would we. What exactly did fire give us? Warmth. It allowed humans to expand into colder climates, survive ice ages, and conquer environments that would otherwise kill us. Light. Torches and campfires extended our days, making the night less unlocked. Calories. It fed the brain. Some scientists argue this is why humans developed larger, more complex minds than any other species. Tools and technology. Fire smelted metal, hardened clay, forged weapons. From the Bronze Age to the Space Age, fire has been the invisible partner behind every invention. It is no exaggeration to say, without fire, there is no humanity as we know it. Let's look back. Nearly 2 million years ago, Homo erectus first learned to harness natural flames. Around 1 million years ago, evidence shows fire was controlled deliberately. From there, human expansion accelerated. Cooking meant more energy. More energy meant bigger brains. Bigger brains meant language, art, and planning. Compare that to our closest relatives, the chimpanzees. They remain intelligent, social, adaptable, but limited. Without fire, humans might have remained in a similar state. Clever primates, yes, but not architects of the future. Fire was the dividing line, the difference between surviving and transcending. So let us imagine, step by step. Stage 1. Survival. Without fire, humans remain confined to warm regions of Africa. Ice ages make northern migration impossible. Woolly mammoths roam the tundra, but no human ever follows. Europe and Asia stay empty of us. Stage 2. Food. Raw meat remains difficult to chew and dangerous to eat. Our ancestors expend massive energy digesting food. Their brains never expand to modern human size. Instead, they plateau. Small, clever apes, but not architects of the future. Stage 3. Safety. At night, predators rule. Lions, hyenas, leopards. Human groups stay constantly on the move, unable to settle, unable to grow in number. Without fire to guard them, humanity never becomes dominant. Stage 4. Technology. The leap from stone tools to metal never comes. No bronze, no iron, no steel. No wheels reinforced with fire-hardened materials. No engines, no rockets. Without fire, there is no industry. And Stage 5. Civilization. Without energy, cities never rise. Without metallurgy, no weapons beyond sharpened stone. Without cooking, no surplus food to support art, philosophy, or science. In this world, humans do not conquer Earth. They remain one species among many, nomadic, vulnerable, forever overshadowed by the raw forces of nature. If humans never discovered fire, what would the Earth look like today? Ecology. Vast forests remain untouched by agriculture. The natural world thrives. Megafauna, giant mammals like mammoths and saber-toothed cats, might still roam. Humanity, too weak to wipe them out, coexists in their shadow. Population. Instead of 8 billion, perhaps only a few million humans survive, scattered in tropical regions where warmth and food are abundant. Culture. With no firelight, the night remains a realm of fear. Myths and language evolve differently, if at all. No written words, no history recorded. Technology. At best, simple tools of bone and stone. No cities, no empires, no space exploration. Humanity never leaves Earth, and perhaps never even leaves the forest. In short, the Earth remains wild. The age of humans never arrives. It is humbling. One small spark, one ancient discovery, and the entire trajectory of our species changed. Without fire, we are nothing more than clever apes. With fire, we became creators, dreamers, builders of worlds. It reminds us that progress is fragile. Civilization is not inevitable. It was earned, step by step, flame by flame. So we must ask, if fire was the first great turning point, what about the next? What if the discovery of fire was only the beginning? And the true danger lies not in never finding it, but in what humanity might ignite next. Because every flame carries both creation and destruction. And the question remains, what if the next spark consumes us all? Protection. Fire kept predators at bay. Lions, wolves, and bears all learned to fear the flame. Food. Cooking transformed raw meat into nourishment easier to digest. It unlocked calories and gave us control over time itself.